Yes, good afternoon, good morning. So today I'm gonna do a review on my wireless Earbuds Bluetooth 5.0. It's a Earbud deep bass, noise cancellation, waterproof, sport wireless headphone. All right. So I ordered it on NEWEGG Canada Inc. since the 12th February, and I received it. We are the 23 February 2026. So it's in black color. So the grand subtotal was 17.94 cents CAD. There was no GST, no QST. Good. And no shipping. And I got also a NEWEGG gift card, discounted 15. So it cost me a grand total of $2.94. It's too expensive for me. All right. So good. So let me get you to the earbuds, okay? We're gonna do a unboxing. All right, stay tuned. Follow me. All right, so we have it right now. So I'm gonna open it. Just gonna take the scissor. Okay, open it. Good. Put it to two sides. What we got. Okay, we have the earbuds here. So you got it, black color, and also I got these. Empty box. I got also these. What is this? it's just the plastic, okay? I got my earbuds, H6. Gotta open it. Whoop. Good, awesome. Black color with my USB port, so very good, eh? And they have a extra for the earbud. And the charger. And the charger as well. Okay, so and the two earbuds. Alright, so thank you for tuning in and see you on the next one. For $3, it's a good deal. Ciao, ciao.
Like more, like more. Like more, like more. Like more, like more. Like more. We can go
I know you may hate me, I can't go, I'm scared you go away. I need you home. Life's so cruel, we gotta see this through. No pure love left, just hearts that break into karma's levy. Weighs me down tonight, just like I'm drowning. Can't get it right, I see love of mine's now that's shining through. No one's gonna love you like I do. I watch and play, wishing I could feel that thrill. Oh my dear,